Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's hit the road. For GJ yesterday, if you look at it closely, we're looking for buys, stop loss here, potential TP. This TP was just brushed through and price kept pumping, pumping. So beautiful. Yesterday, GJ did what I've been waiting for a very long time. It's as if it has just been holding it, and yesterday it just decided to unleash it. Okay, so for today, nothing much. I don't anticipate much. Okay, so like if you see, excuse me, this trade that is performing right now, I'm not in it. Okay, I'm just gonna chill because the trade did not give me the setup I wanted to see. Okay, if this let's just assume that this bullish candle did not perform when it did. This is a Asian session. Yeah, if the Asian session did not perform like this would have been my area to place my buy to retest this high. But the Asian session did what I was anticipating the London to do, so I'll let it be. This particular movement that is going up right now, I am not in it. I repeat, I am not in it. So I'm just going to let this be. Let's see what price will do. If price keeps pumping, okay. But what I want to see is some setup that is recognizable and has a high probability to give us our TP. So for GJ this morning, this London session, I'm just chilling, nothing. Yesterday gave us, as you see the way price pumped. If let's say it's a situation where I was holding my position, yeah, I would have said, okay, let me keep holding it to get to this level here. And I'm sure it would have been more than 6 hours, but letting it be is the best thing to do right now. I'm not going to rush to take this buy because if you take this buy here, the potential TP will be somewhere above here. So there are so many reasons why I'm not looking at taking this buys. With that being said, let's look at the next thing on our agenda, which is gold. Gold is another instrument that played played out very well in the sense whereby, though this is one thing about gold, gold is crazy in the sense whereby when you are anticipating it to pump up to give the buy to retest this high before dropping, gold just decided to do the other direction. Okay, just like GJ, um, and someone will ask, okay, then where is the potential position to take sales? If you remember yesterday, the market gave us a clear indication, which I voiced out. And what was it? That if we get a bearish breach below here, which is this particular setup, the potential buys can be here, stop loss here, for price to keep dropping. And as you can see, gold played that very well. So at the moment, gold has done what it's supposed to do. It has retested the low. GJ has pumped, made a high, but has not retested or retraced to give us a retest of the high. So gold has dropped, retraced, and retested the low that it made previously. So at the moment, I'm not going to rush because there is no setup right now on gold. Price has performed what it's supposed to do. It has dropped, retraced, retested the low. So at the moment, we are waiting for one of three things. Either price will keep dropping to make a new low, or price to retrace. Okay, if it fails to break this high, then we come back to retest the low again, which will now be the formation of a sideways movement or ranging market. If it breaks this high, then we anticipate price to do what? Retrace deeper. So at the moment, there is no buy, there is no sell. We just wait to see what price will do. If price comes above this guy, there is a potential that price would keep doing what? Coming up it. That will be just shooting too far. So let it be for now. Let us see what gold is going to do. Okay. For yeah, yeah. So above here we indicate bullish momentum if price comes above here, just like we have market has given us. So so far nothing on gold, just like GJ. Then let's see um, Bitcoin. Wow. Well, I'm not surprised. If you remember, the market has been telling us that price wants to dip, and I've been shouting, I've been preaching it, I've been singing it, I've been saying it as a voice of the market that no one should tell you to buy the dip on Bitcoin because you don't know where the dip would be. The only closest area anyone can assume the dip would be is the 14,000 level, okay, which is down here. This 14,000 point price level here. This is the lowest dip I can think of. Anything between this range is a slippery slope because price has a tendency to keep doing what? Dropping. So as you can see, Bitcoin has made a new low. We got to wait for some retracement. Just like we saw here, price just keeps repeating the movement. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame so I don't have to space it too much. Yeah, look at it. This sell we took then just hit the TP here, and another sell position to keep dropping. So what I'm waiting for right now Bitcoin is for price to retrace, then continue its bearish momentum. Okay, I'm not gonna rush to take any sales because look at the low is showing exhibiting clear sign of weakness. So let's wait for retracement before continuing the dipping. Okay, with that being said, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe, hit that notification button down here in the shape of a bell. When you click it, select the all option, comment and like. So that is all for now. Bitcoin, the price level I'm looking at is the 14,000 price level. We're already almost there. Price is at 18,000, so minus 4,000 or thereabout, minus 4,738 dollars will take us to 14,000. So this is my overall target on Bitcoin. Then let's see how it drops anyway. No buying of dip because no one can say exactly where the dip would be, especially retail traders. So trade what the market is giving you, not what you are emotionally attached expecting to happen. Okay. So with that being said, enjoy your midweek. Barack Bashad. Peace.